When it comes to Gcash and transaction history, there are definitely some things you can do and some things you just can't. If you've been scrolling through your recent activities and wondering if there's a way to clean things up, it's not exactly straightforward. You might think there's a hidden button or that support could help if you ask nicely, which is totally understandable. The thing is, Gcash keeps transaction records for a reason. It's mostly about security, compliance, and rules that are non-negotiable. The app is designed to track every transaction to protect users and prevent fraud. You can view all your past transactions easily under the Activity tab. And if you want, you can request a detailed statement to be sent to your email. This is actually pretty useful if you want to monitor your spending, track payments, or just keep a record for personal accounting. As for actually making that history disappear, the truth is the app doesn't allow it. Some websites or third-party tools might claim they can delete or hide your Gcash records, but those are risky and could compromise your account. The safest approach is to understand what's possible and work within the app's official features. Knowing how your transaction history works, how to access statements, and how to export them safely is the best strategy. Remember, keeping those records visible isn't a flaw, it's a security feature. Instead of trying to delete them, use the tools Gcash provides to manage, track, and organize your transactions safely. It helps you stay in control of your finances while keeping your account fully protected.